Hello students, today we are here with our science worksheet number 67 from Directorate of Education, class 9, subject science. Today we will discuss about a new topic, a new type of energy, that is kinetic energy. Gyan asked Jigyasa Didi what is kinetic energy. Jigyasa said, Gyan, there are the different forms of energy in nature, but whenever any object possesses the kinetic energy while it moves, it means only those objects which are moving continuously having the kinetic energy. So, the objects at the rest do not possess the kinetic energy. Give some examples of kinetic energy, students, like running water, moving bullet, and rolling stone. Now, what is the perfect definition of the kinetic energy? Kinetic energy of an object is defined as the energy possessed by an object by virtue of its motion. It depends upon the mass of the object and it depends upon the velocity of the object. How it depends upon the mass and velocity? Let's do the mathematical expression. Suppose there is an object with the mass m and moving with the initial velocity u, and a force works on it, that is F, and F equals to ma. But the work done equals to the force into displacement, so F equals to ma multiply S. Now, what is S here? From the third equation of motion, the value of S is equals to v square minus u square upon 2a. We cancel out from a to a. Now the formula of work done, half m v square minus u square, and that is the formula of our kinetic energy. Okay students, this is the mathematical derivation of kinetic energy. It means the work done is equal to the kinetic energy. So both have the same units. What are the same units? That is joule. Okay, now let's do some examples and exercise. First example here, an object of mass 10 kg moving with the velocity 4, find the kinetic energy. What is the formula of kinetic energy? Half mv square, half mass is 10, v is 4. So our answer is 80 joules. Calculate the work to be done when the velocity increases from 30 to 60. So 60 is your final velocity, 30 is your initial velocity, and this is given mass. Firstly, we convert kilometer per hour into meter per second. By this, we multiply the given velocity with 5 by 18. So, we get u and v in meter per second. Now, what is the formula? Half m v square minus u square. M is given to you 1500. V square we calculate, u square we calculate. So, this is the answer in joules. This is your work done. Now let's do the question answers. First, define the kinetic energy and also write the formula. So this is your first answer, students. Definition of the kinetic energy and formula. What is the formula? EK, kinetic energy, equals to half mv square. So this is the answer of your first question. Second one. What would be the kinetic energy of a car standing in a garage? When the car is standing in a garage, it means its velocity is 0. So, its kinetic energy is also 0. On what factor kinetic energy depends? So, the third one is, this is your third answer. Let's do the fourth question. That will be a numerical. The kinetic energy of an object of mass m is given to you. Mass is given m. Kinetic energy equals to 25 joule. and the velocity is 5 meter per second. We have to calculate the mass. Kinetic energy equals to half mv square. Half mv is our 5 and kinetic energy is also 25. 1 by 2 m into 25. So m is here equals to 2 kg. We got the mass. Now read the question. What will be the kinetic energy when velocity is doubled? So velocity gets double. It means velocity is 5 here. But now we have to take velocity 10 double and calculate the kinetic energy. So what will be the kinetic energy when the velocity is doubled? We have to calculate the kinetic energy. Velocity is doubled means 2 5s are 10. And mass we calculated, that is 2 kg. So kinetic energy equals to half mv square. That is equals to half into 2. V is equals to 10. 100 joules. So this is the answer of your fourth one question. Last fifth one question. A force acting on a 20 kg mass. Mass is given here, that is 20 kg. Velocity changes from 5 to 2. It means u is 5 meter per second. V is 2 meter per second. And we have to calculate the kinetic energy or work done. What is the formula here? Half m v square minus u square. Half m is 20. V square, that is 2 square minus 5 square. 10. 4 minus 25. 10 multiply minus 21, that is minus 210 joule. So this is the answer of your fifth question. So student, numericals are very important in this chapter. You have to practice a numerical a lot so that you can score good marks in your exam. And if you like that worksheet, share among your friend circle and subscribe our channel Learning Light. Thank you.